Every breakthrough has a beginning. For Brighton Science, it started with a challenge from the US Air Force. The Department of Defense needed a way to validate surface preparation for aircraft bonding and coating, especially for advanced platforms like the F-35. Funded through the SBIR program, Brighton developed a fast, accurate, and portable way to measure surface quality without relying on outdated or destructive methods. What used to be subjective and difficult to validate, especially in the field, could now be quantified in seconds with a single push of a button. The result: more reliable aircraft maintenance, fewer coating failures, and confidence that every critical bond meets the specification, whether in a lab or on a production line. Brighton's early success opened doors, not just in defense, but also in aerospace, automotive, electronics, consumer goods, and medical device manufacturing. Every successful bond starts with a clean, prepared surface. The surface analyst gives teams the data to prove it. And because it was born from the SBIR program, this innovation made its way from a research lab to production lines around the world. Brighton Science continues to build on that foundation, evolving from handheld validation tools to full digital integration with BC Mobile and the B-Connect platform. These innovations enable real-time monitoring, data sharing, and predictive insights across the production and repair lifecycle. By making the invisible measurable, Brighton Science helps manufacturers build lighter, faster, stronger, and more reliable products while reducing costs, rework, and risk.